SDG&E hates this.
Last year, SDG&E made just under $1 billion profit. $1 billion with a B. You need to fire SDG&E, and you need to put some solar on your roof.
We have rates in California that are, 5 to 10 times the rates everywhere else in the United States.
Horrible rates, up to 73 cents a kilowatt hour. Most of the country pays about a dime.
It used to be that there was a lot of electricity used during the daytime, but then what happened? Everyone bought a bunch of solar panels. Now what they said is, well, you know what? It doesn't cost that much anymore to make electricity during the day. So what we're going to do is wait till you come home from work, and we're going to jack the rates up.
Now we have the battery. That was our response. And the battery allows us to soak up all that beautiful sun and all that energy in the day, and then we use it off our battery at night, so we don't pay any of those extra rates. What's going to be next year, $4 or $5 billion?
Maybe.
On the backs of the customers? That's just wrong. It's 2025. Wake up and smell the solar.
Visit SemperSolaris.com to see our latest offers on solar plus battery storage.